All right, this is Jenny Nasland. In this video, we'll be talking about setting class permissions in Google Classroom. Students can share messages in the class stream, as well as comment on messages, announcements, and assignments from you and other students. You can control students' messages and comments in the class stream by setting permissions for individual students or for the whole class. You can also see any comment and message that a student made and then deleted. First off, you want to set post and comment permissions for your class. To do this, you'll want to make sure you're in Google Classroom at classroom.google.com, and then you'll go ahead and choose the class that you want to use to set permissions. Once you're in your class, you will click on Students, and then up here you have three different choices. Students can post and comment is the default. In this setting, students can share a message in the class stream and comment on any item. The second option, students can only comment. Students can comment but not share a message. And then lastly, only teachers can post or comment. Students cannot comment on or share in the class stream. This is the same as muting all students. To mute students, you can select all students, or you can select just the students you'd want to mute, and you can go up to Actions and click on Mute. This would mean that students can participate, but what they post will not be seen by anyone besides the teacher. I'm going to deselect those students so they're not muted, but that is one option for muting. Another way you can mute students is to go into the stream and look at a post. So for example, I have a question that I posted. I can go in, and if a student would write in a comment that I wouldn't think would be appropriate, I could actually go into just that student and mute the student at that point. That way that student's post would not be viewed by other students in the class. If I wanted to unmute that student, I could click on them again and click on Unmute, and that would unmute the student. You can also delete posts. If I was done with this post and did not want to see them anymore, I could click on it and click on Delete, and this would delete the post so students could not respond any further. I can, as a teacher, click on the Stream button here, and I can click it on to show deleted posts. This would allow me to see the posts that I deleted if I wanted to go back and grade or talk about it with my class at a later point. So that is how you can set your class permissions in Google Classroom.